They said this storm was going to start about 2, and it's just 2 o'clock. And it's just starting. It is just, my phone isn't picking it up right, but that is just black. Black. I looked outside and said, holy shit. That is just, it's black. That don't even look right. They don't look right over there. I don't want to be out here too long, but that just doesn't look right. They're talking all kinds of crazy weather today, tonight. I just saw a flash. If you look at a radar, look at Jackson, Michigan. It's just underneath Lansing. This is just starting. We just looked to see where it was at, and it was right at the J of Jackson. So it's just starting, and this is going to go all night. Can you hear the wind? The wind is picking up. Yeah, it's supposed to be really bad, so this is just the start of it. I am gonna head in the house. Good luck, everybody, if you're in it. I gotta go in. I don't want any lightning to strike the house. That cloud has already gone over. There it is. So, good luck, everybody.